Hi, you have come to the right destination if you are looking for the best work from home opportunities. For your information, I must update you that there is no investment to begin working with us. Welcome to the work from home process of India's most well known company. My name is Adi. I am your instructor from Upstocks Partners. I will tell you all you need to know about our company and how you can get started working for us. I will walk you through the steps and tell you how much money you can expect to make if you join our team. Let's get this start. Upstocks is the name of the company, and it is backed by Mr. Ratan Tata and Tiger Global. In India, 10 million people trust Upstocks. Upstocks is a digital marketplace that allows investors to buy and sell stocks and shares. This application is used by people to build their money and save for the future. Upstocks began in 2009. It is a trustworthy broker that is a member of SEBI, BSE, NSE, MCX, and CDSL. The brokerage regulations apply to the company. In comparison to other industrialized countries, India's investor population was less than 1% of the overall population. The industrialized countries of the United States and Europe, on the other hand, had more than 55% of the total population as investors. Upstocks has been running enormous advertising efforts for the past 9 years based on the potential. You may have seen advertising during the Indian Premier League, the World Cup, and other important sporting events throughout the world. Upstocks is investing billions of dollars in order to expand its consumer base. And by being a Upstocks partner, you will have the potential to earn a lot of money. You will earn 400 rupees to 1200 rupees for each customer account opening as a Upstocks partner. You won't have to look for clients to open a Upstocks account, so don't worry. Customers will be provided by us. Customers will dial your business phone number directly. You simply need to assist them in creating a Upstocks account using your unique referral link. I will say it again. You don't need to look for clients to open a Upstocks account. Customers will be provided by us. Customers will dial your business phone number directly. You simply need to assist them in creating a Upstocks account using your unique referral link. We will provide you with all assistance so that you can earn between 1000 rupees and 5000 rupees every day. With our assistance, you will be able to easily earn more than 50,000 rupees each month working from home. The best thing about Upstocks Partner is that it requires no investment. You are not required to pay anything. There are no products for sale. You don't have to persuade anyone to purchase anything. There is no such thing as a target. There is no time constraint at work. Work according to your schedule. Work from the comfort of your own home. It will allow you to spend more time with your loved ones. Daily earnings are good. You don't have to wait for a limited salary at the end of the month. There is no limit to your earnings. You will earn more money on a daily basis if you devote more time to work. For example, if you make 1500 rupees each day, your monthly income will be 45,000 rupees. Believe me that it is possible. Working from home, our associate partners are making more than 1 lakh rupees per month with no investment. We will teach you how to do it, and you'll be able to earn any amount you desire. Other jobs, on the other hand, pay is low and limited, regardless of how hard you try. And it takes a lot of money to establish a business. As a result, joining a Upstocks partner is the finest decision you can make to meet all of your current and future demands. You will simply make a lot of money here with no investment. So, Let me explain how you can begin working as an associate partner for us. You can start working with us right now if you already have a Upstox account. We only need to activate your associate partner ID so that customers can call you. If you don't already have a Upstox account, you'll need to register one on our website. You'll need a Upstox account to acquire your link, which will allow you to withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account. Our website is www.upstoxpartners.co.in. You must notify us at info@upstoxpartners.co.in once your Upstox account has been activated. After that, we will make your associate partner ID. We will use our software to map your work phone number. Customers will start calling you after that. I had sent 3 other short videos of 5 to 10 minutes to your WhatsApp number. For a better understanding, you need to view the short video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I had also included a link to our website. To get started, go to www.upstoxpartners.co.in and register an account. There are frequently asked questions and answers at the bottom of the website. These questions and answers can help you have a better understanding of your job and earnings. You must contact the same number with which you are connected for this assignment after you have finished watching all of the videos. Our Upstox partner will assist you with the rest of the procedures. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Upstox partners. To receive more updates, please like and subscribe to our channel.